Gosselin Day for the Eagles. Brock Jackson.
I don't know to keep back on Taco Bell.
He's up there. Stand up when you see him. I'm about to leave that guy. I'll be back tonight.
Austin Sight for the Eagles.
Let's go! John! Get it out there!
This is where the baby young is.
Do you remember it with the LeBron?
Yeah.
No, that's and then he moved it. I did it. He jabbed.
Come on, man. They did.
I saw him. Ooh. Ooh.
He's not going anywhere. What you talking about?
Let's go, John. Hit that. Oh, he's out. Why are you snaking in the hoop? Let's go. Let's go.
Mary Taylor.